crafters! Welcome to the part 2 of making floor plan in AutoCAD. For today's video, we will going to do the architectural standard of schedule of doors and window in our floor plan. Let's now go to the parts of door in floor plan. So as you can see, I have here a door, or the architectural symbol of a door. So first we have here, the first part is the wall thickness, which is, if you are using the outside wall, we have the wall thickness of 0.15, and if we are using the inside wall, we have 0.10 wall thickness. And then we have here the door opening, the door swing, where we will going to use to open the door, and also the door hinge. So these are the doors measurement that we will going to use to our floor plan. Okay, so if you can see here, the D1 or the main door, it has 1. And then for the bedroom, we have the D2, which means 0.9, the door opening, the distance of door opening. And then also for the D3, 0.8. So these are the architectural standard measurements of door that we will going to use to draw the door in our floor plan. So now let's proceed now to the door 3 and door 2. So if you will going to observe, the wall thickness is 10 because it's actually attached to inside wall. That's why we will going to create first the wall thickness of our door 2. We're going to create line, and then we're going to create point 10 or point 1 or point 10, and then enter. Then we will going to offset it by 9 because of the measurement of our second door is 0.9. And then we're going to create another door hinge by 0.05, and then going up by 0.9 because of the door opening is 0.9, then 0.05, and then 0.9 going down. And then first, let's just apply the layer of walls, and then let's create the arc of this by using the center, start, end. So from here, center, start, and then end. So we can adjust this one and then apply the layers of it, the DW schedule. Then we're just going to copy it first, go in here. I will go into turn off my ortho mode, go in here first, let's just have it, and then we're going to create a line from here for about, I think, 0.40 or 0.4 for the position of our our door 2. Okay, and then I'm just going to rotate this one. How is the position? So I'm going to rotate it like this way. Okay, and then I'm just going to mirror it. MI from here, and then I said yes, and then we're just going to move this one. This will be our reference, and then attach it from 0.4 in here. And then before we trim, let's just select all of these ones at once because we will going to mirror it in the other side. Okay, and then MI, enter. Then this will be our reference. Enter, and then no. Then let's just delete the unnecessary lines by trimming. But before we trim, make sure that the lines are exploded. Then TR and double enter. Trim this way, also here, trim this way. Alright, so make sure that the line in here is colored by red. Let's just adjust this one. We have here the door hinge. We need the door hinge there. So I thought I left it from the here. Just create there. Then change the layers. Also here. So make sure that you can adjust this one. Adjust this one because we do not have our line in here, and then just we are done doing our what they call this, the second door that we have to our floor plan. And then let's proceed now to the toilet and bath door, which is the door 3, which is the 0.8. So we can have by it, I think, 0.2 from here, 0.2, and then we're going to create here, outside here, so that it's easily for us to access. Again, the wall thickness is 10, and then let's just offset it by 0.8. Go in here and then apply the layers of walls, and then from here we're going to create 0.05 line, and then 0.8 again, and then 0.05, and then the door opening of door 2 is 0.8. Okay, and then we're going to go use another, this one, the center, start, end. So center, start, and then just apply it, adjust, apply the layer. Okay, and then we're just showing here. I'm just going to copy it. I'm gonna use this reference, going to our here in our, I think we should copy it by for about 0.1 only, not going to use about 0.1. Okay, and then we're just going to copy this one from here, go in here, can delete this one, and then we're just going to trim. So make sure that you are going to explode and then trim. Okay, and then there you go, we are done doing our floor plan of doors and windows. So make sure that the door hinge is correctly located to your floor plan so that it is good to see. We will going to proceed now in doing our windows. So now let's proceed to the parts of windows in a floor plan that we will going to use. There are many types of windows that you will gonna use for floor plan, but in our case, in our floor plan, we will going to use only 2 kinds of windows, which is in here in my next slide. We have here the sliding window and also the awning window that we will going to use to CR or toilet and bath, or we will going to use the awning window to the kitchen, and the sliding window we will going to use in bedroom and in living area. So these are the windows plan symbols. As you can see, this sliding windows, sliding window, and the awning window with an opening window, okay, or the opening direction. So now let's have the parts. First, of course, the wall thickness. We will going to use by 0.15 as our wall thickness because it's always located in the outside of our wall, outside wall thickness. And then we have here the sliding window plan symbol. We're gonna use the window frame and also the opening direction of awning window. And if you're going to see, again, we're going to use the sliding window to the living area and bedrooms, while the awning window, we will going to use it for kitchen and toilet and bath. So in our case, that our floor plan, we have only 2 kinds of windows, which we will going to use the architectural standard of our awning windows is 0.5, which is this one, the window 1, here in toilet and bath, and here also in kitchen. Okay, and then for the window number 2 or W2 sliding, we will going to use the measurement of 1.2. From here, living area, from bedroom to the master bedroom, and also here in dining area. Okay, these are the measurements that we will going to use in creating the windows for our floor plan. So now let's proceed creating the windows of, first we will going to create the awning window because it's actually 2 awning window that we will going to locate. So first, let's just create the awning window right here. We're gonna use the first create the wall thickness. Make sure that it's in ortho by 0.15, and then we're just going to offset it by 0.6. Go in here, and then from this one, we're just going to offset it by 0.02, and then also here is 0.02. Then we're just going to create a line from here, and then we're just going to offset it for about 0.02 again. Offset it by 0.02. Go in here, let's just mirror it. Go in here. Okay, and then just trim this one. Just going to trim this way and also this way. And then we're just gonna create a line from here, go in here, and then just select all of this one only, this one, and then this one. We're just going to mirror it, go in here. Okay, again I offset it by 0.2. Okay, so that we have now this, and then you're just going to offset it by 0.03. Go in here and go in here, and then just trim all the excess lines in here, and then just apply the layers. Just going to apply the layers for walls, and then just delete this one, and then just going to select all of this, and then apply the Wazzup. Okay, so as you can see, we're done doing our, we call this the window that we have. So we're just going to create a line from here for the center, for the center reference of our line. And then we're going to create the awning opening. So from here, go in here. So let's just create in layers. We're going to add a new layer of hidden line. Hidden line, and then we will going to create this color by red, and then the line type we will going to change it by loading, and then you're going to find the hidden 2, this one, hidden 2, and then okay, just reload the line type, and then we're just going to to select this line type, so make sure that it changed, and then the line weight we were going to use is 0.30. Okay, like this, the doors and windows that we have in layers, and then just going to create from here, I think from here by 0.1, and then we're just going to create from here, and then select these lines, and then apply the layer. Okay, so if you will not see there, you can see it in the layout tab. So we're just going to find our drawing in layout tab. So as you can see through our Control P, and then there's just have the preview. So make sure that it's applied. So let's see, make sure that it's applied. Okay, oh yeah, because it's W, I have here W, that it's actually hidden. Okay, should be hidden. Let's change it by hidden. Okay, come on, yeah, this one. So let's just try it. So there you go, you can see it now. So you can adjust that line type if you did not have it. So if you don't want that, you can adjust it by selecting another hidden. So for example, this one, just hidden, and then let's just change the property. So if you're going to see in here, you can see now the preview of our drawing. So there you go. So we're just going to use the hidden type. Okay, hidden line type, and then just have to copy this one using the reference of this one in the middle, and then let's just create in here the middle of it. Then trim all the unnecessary lines here. Also here, just trim this one. Go in here, also here, trim. zoom in so that you can see what are the things that you need to trim. And then after that, we're going to copy it again. Go in here to our kitchen. So let's just create in here. So for about, I think from here, just going to offset for about 0.4. So we're going to locate in here. So let's just rotate this one, RO, enter. Rotate this one, and then let's just move this way, go in here. Okay, so make sure that we're gonna delete this one, also this one, delete this one, and then let's just trim the unnecessary lines, the walls, another walls, also here. Make sure that if you have this kind, make sure that it's actually located. Okay, let's just extend this line so that if we will going to trim this one, this one will not be broken. Okay, also in here, so it's very crucial because of the kind of lines that we have, so we're just going to trim this one also here. So again, if we were going to trim this, make sure that you will not going to have in here. So yeah, just make it sure that we're gonna create a line. So I changed my mind. I actually changed my hidden line type for my hidden line by hidden 2 because it's very okay for my drawing. So if you can see here for the free view of printing, there you go, you can see my own kind of owning window. So let's just proceed now in creating our last kind of window, which is the sliding window. So we're going to create first the wall here. So let's just create a wall by 0.15 and then offset it by 1.2. Go in here and then let's just offset it by 0.3. Offset it by 0.3. Okay, offset it by 0.03. Go in this way and then let's just create a line. We're going to offset it by 0.02, this one. And then let's just mirror it going here and then trim the lines that we have, and then let's just create a middle line, go in here and then just copy this one, mirror it using this one, mirror, and then no, and then we're just going to offset it by 0.03. There you go. And then from here, from the middle, where's the middle? From the middle, we're just going to offset for about 0.4. That's just about 0.303. 0.3 rather, 0.3. Let's try 0.3 for just kind of again offset it by 0.3. Okay, go in here and then go in here, and then let's just move it going up in here. Okay, and then let's just trim the unnecessary lines like this one, and also here this way, unnecessary lines in here, also this one. I just have to delete this one, and then we're just going to apply the layers of doors and windows using this one. Just apply it. Okay, and then we're just going to apply the windows, or the walls, rather, the walls. And then we're just going to copy it using the middle line. Where's the middle? Come on. Can you see the middle line? This one. Okay, we're just going to move in here in the middle of this one. Just going to copy this one. There you go. And then just going to copy another in here, this side, and also in here this side. Okay, also in here, just going to copy it. Then we're just going to rotate this one. Just going to rotate it. Of course, we're gonna use the ortho. And after we rotate, we're just going to move it using the reference of the middle. Go in here in the middle of it, of this line, and then just also here. Just going to rotate it. Go in here and then just select and then move it using the reference of the middle. Go in here in the middle of this line and also here. Then after this, we will going to trim. Going to rotate, select, and then move using the reference of the middle line. Go in here in the middle of it. Okay, there you go. And then just going to trim all the excess lines, like this one, and then this one. Also in here, the excess line in here. Okay, and then also in here, just going to trim the line. Okay, make sure that if we have trimmed that line, this one in here, just going to create a line from here, go in here. Make sure that it created line from here, and then let's just have to adjust by walls. And also in here, let's have in here trim, and then trim. Okay, again, if we're going to trim this one, make sure that it will be good. Okay, there you go. Just apply the walls, this line, and then this one. Just trim this one also in here. Look at that. I lost my another line in here. Okay, I'm just going to just extend this line, apply the wall. Also here for the last one we have here. So just going to trim this and make sure that you will go to redraw the walls. It's actually very particular experience in doing these walls. Okay, there you go. So if you will going to observe our drawing in here,